Welcome. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to unsave your cover photo on the Facebook app using your PC with the latest update. If you're looking to clean up your saved items or just want that cover photo out of your saved list, follow along and you'll finish in just a few clicks. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in with your account credentials so you're ready for the next steps. Next, click on your profile photo at the top of the page. This will take you directly to your profile, where you can access your cover photo, posts, and other information. Once you're on your profile page, find your cover photo displayed prominently at the top. Hover your cursor over it, and then click directly on the cover photo. This will bring up a full view of your cover photo, along with various options beneath it. Now, look for the three dots icon located just under your cover photo. Clicking on these three dots will open a small menu with several actions you can take. In this menu, choose Unsave Post. By selecting this option, you are removing the cover photo from your saved items list. The action will usually take effect immediately, and you'll see confirmation that the post is no longer saved. That's it. You have successfully unsaved your cover photo on Facebook using the PC app. These new steps make it straightforward to manage what you keep saved on your profile, so you always stay organized. If you ever want to save another post or image in the future, just repeat similar actions by clicking the Save or Unsave options as needed. Managing your saved content is easier than ever with this updated Facebook interface. Feel free to revisit these steps whenever you need to adjust your saved posts. Thanks for joining in.